Okay, let's take a look at this homework questions. We are gonna go through exercise 10B question 3, practice now 5 question 1 on page 322, exercise 10C question 2, and work example 6. Correction, practice now 8. Okay. Yeah, let's begin. So now, first one, exercise 10B question 3. Let's take a look at the question. Okay, pause the video and read the question. Okay, let's begin. So now you got these two triangles which are congruent. You want to prove straight away. What I'll do is I'll first identify the first triangle, ABP. I'll copy the diagram exactly like in the same orientation. Oh, good. So now there's a point R there. Now that's not so important. We can ignore it. But I'll just draw it in. Then for BCR, what I'll do is I will copy the exact same diagram, but relabel. So the order of triangle ABP is A, then B, then P in this direction. So for the second triangle, you do the same thing. But for B, C, then R. Okay, I like to put it side by side. So something like this looks nicer. So clearly, right angle are the same, right? And to prove congruent triangles, there's only 4 key properties you need to know: SSS, SAS, IAS, and RHS. You need to show one of these 4, and then you prove congruency of the triangles. In this case, I see right angle, so I will go for RHS. Now, clearly, there is the right angle that's the same, so we can start off by saying angle BAP. So I went in this order, so the other triangle must also go in the same order, CBR. And they are both equals. Okay, maybe I can put it like this, equals 90 degrees, and I can say given. Right? Okay, good. So they are both equal to 90 degrees. Good. It's done. Now we still need the hypotenuse and a side that's equal. So let's see, why is PB and RC the same? Now, what did they give us? They told us that BR is 1/3 of AB. BR is 1/3 of AB. What else? We also know that the AP is 1/3 of BC, right? Okay, can. And then BC and the AB must be equal because it was also given. So yeah, good. That means all we need to do is to show that, let's say AP eventually blah, 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 blah equals to, what is it, BR. Okay, so what is AP equal to? Let's see. AP, they give us 1 equals to 1/3 BC. This was given, so we just copy and paste. Now 1/3 is just 1/3, but what's so special about BC now? What's so special about BC? What we realize is that AB equals to BC, right? AB equal to BC, so we can replace it with AB, since AB equals to BC, which is given. Now, is 1/3 AB the same as BR? Yes, it was also given right over that. So we can just write down given. Okay, so we have shown one of the hypotenuse, sorry, one of the sides is the same. So this is the R, this is the S. And now we need the hypotenuse. How do we show that the hypotenuse are equal? In this case, AB equals to, let me take a look first. is this RHS? AP equals to BR is shown. AB, oh, right, sorry. This is not RHS. Apologies, no. This is SAS, this is SAS. I have an angle here that's the same. Maybe I'll just put angle. I have shown that these two sides are equal. Now I can show that my AB and my BC are equal. Why? It was given. That's it. Sorry, we are not using RHS, we are using SAS. This is the angle, there is the side, and there's the side. For SAS, the angle must be included. So S, A, and S, the angle must be in between the two sides. Right? Okay. The angle here is in between the single tick mark and the double tick mark sides. Okay, so that's why they are congruent, proven. By SAS, you just need to write down the last concluding statement. By SAS property, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle BCR. Okay, that is part one. Moving on to part two. For part two, you want to show that BQC is 90 degrees. Here is one approach to doing it. So we can let angle CRB equals to A. So let me just copy down the diagram first. Okay, I can let angle, what is it? CRB equals to angle B and ABP equals to angle A. Okay, so in other words, here, okay, if I can make the diagram a bit bigger, this will be angle B and that will be angle A. Okay, good. So why do I want to do that? Because what are we given? We are given that the two triangles are congruent, right? So angle BPA must be equal to angle CRB, right? Okay, let's write that down first. Our first conclusion, angle BPA must be equals to angle CRB, which is B. This is because of congruent triangles. Right, the two triangles are congruent, so this angle and this angle must be the same. So this angle over here must also be an angle B. Right? Okay, then if you focus on triangle ABP, this triangle here, what do you notice? You notice that we have three of the angles inside already. So that means that in triangle ABP, what do we have? We have 90 degrees plus angle B plus angle A. Sum of the three angles in a triangle must add up to 180 degrees. This is angle sum of triangle. Or sum of angles, interior angles of a triangle are supplementary. Then from there, we can conclude that what? We can conclude that B plus A must be equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, just a bit of algebra. Which means that B plus A must be equal to 90 degrees. Okay, good. So let's just call this equation one. What else we have? If we look at angle BQC now, BQC here, where is it? Over here. What angle is it? Hopefully, if you can see this triangle, there's the two interior opposite angles and there's the one exterior angle. So it just means that these two must add together. A plus B must give you the exterior angle. Okay, so that means that angle BQC, yes. It must be equal to angle CRB plus the angle ABP. That's because exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. And they are correspondingly angle B and angle A, so B plus A. And B plus A, what do we know from 1? It's equals to 90 degrees. So we can say from 1. This one and that one are equal is because of definition. Maybe I should have wrote that down at the beginning. So we can let, what is it, angle CRB equals to angle B, and let angle ABP equals to angle A. Okay, this one is by my own definition. Okay, good. So we have shown that BQC is A plus B. Let's just write it down in the diagram. So what? So that means we're done. That means we're done because that's what the question requested for. BQC show that it's 90 degrees. Okay. Show